Welcome to this picture-perfect home here in Wandal. This has to be one of the most well-kept homes I have ever seen in my career, and you're going to see why. Situated on an 800 square metre block, drive-through access to the backyard, a big kitchen space, this could be the home for you. Inside and out, this home has so much space. We're here now in the backyard, and I quite like the fact that you have this drive around access to a secure underneath car parking space and laundry. If our team can help you own 38 Knutsford Street here in Wandal, give us a ring today.